What happens when your young child begins to age faster, loses his hair, stops growing like his friends, and starts experiencing skin changes? He or she may get teased in school, sometimes even dropping out.
2-3 महीने में कुछ बॉडी में हल्का हल्का डॉट्स वगैरह कुछ दिख रहे थे, मतलब समथिंग अबनॉर्मल लग रहा था, लेकिन एग्जैक्टली ये नहीं मालूम था कि प्रोजेरिया है करके.
The parents have no idea what is ailing their child and they rush to a doctor. The doctor undertakes many tests but is confused too, since he has not seen a single such case in his lifetime. Such is the experience of a child with progeria and his family. Progeria is a rare genetic condition where children age rapidly and die of heart attacks or stroke at an average age of just 14.5 years. Only one organization in the world is solely dedicated to finding treatments and the cure for this disease. The Progeria Research Foundation, PRF, based in Boston, Massachusetts, USA.
All children with progeria develop severe progressive heart disease or atherosclerosis. They also have low bone density, what in adults we call osteoporosis, and other problems such as losing their hair, skin problems, joint contractures, an inability to have body fat, and they're unable to grow.
Thus, finding treatments and the cure for this ultra-rare condition may also help millions of people with heart disease and the entire aging population. In 2009, globally, PRF knew of only 56 children with progeria. According to statistics, there were at least another 150 unidentified throughout the world. That's when PRF, with the help of their partners at Global Health PR, embarked on a vast awareness journey to identify more children. Together, they launched the Find the Other 150 global campaign to find these children so that PRF could give them the unique help they need.
In a vast, diverse, and multilingual country like India, many of these children come from smaller towns and remote villages, so this outreach is vital to finding them.
At the time, PRF estimated that for the then 1.25 billion population in India, there should statistically be approximately 60 children with progeria in India.
Attention everyone, वक्त आ गया है कुछ हटके करने का, थोड़ी सी नटखट से एक बड़ी सी मुस्कुराहट लाने का.
Media Medic Communications, a global health PR partner, took on the challenge of finding these children by aiming to raise awareness in the large population of India and Bangladesh that speaks 22 official languages. A new campaign was launched called Finding 60 in India, wherein Media Medic has been using the print and digital medium to raise even more awareness about this condition, with attention not only to the big cities but also to the more remote areas, addressing the many languages spoken throughout the country and implementing new outreach strategies. Media Medic is raising awareness and empathy towards the plight of children with progeria and their families across India and Bangladesh. Activities include outreach to the media, doctors, pharmacists, Bollywood actors, and other influencers for their support, creating videos in different languages, distributing to remote areas, and enabling the virtual presence of PRF's medical director at scientific conferences. With the prevalent social stigma in mind, a positive approach was taken to project the human aspect, garner interest, and change perceptions. Several of the children and their families courageously came forward to be the face of the campaign. This approach helped people understand and socially accept the condition, as they could now see the photographs, hear the voices of these children, watch the activities they participated in, and learn that they are just like other kids their age.
तुरंत फाइंडिंग 60 इन इंडिया में मेरा साथ दो.
दे दिया, उम्मीद दे दिया रेडियो मिर्ची ने बच्चे का साथ. And thank you to Nihal. Nihal, thank you so much, Baba.
Amir Khan's meeting and Jito Raj's radio interview with Nihal, an energetic and wonderful young man who passed away in 2016 at the age of 15, cast a much-needed light on the campaign and the disease. After Nihal's passing away, other children, notably Shreyash, Aditya and Prachi, came forward to interact with media, creating the next wave of awareness.
आपके बेटे की स्पिरिट जो है वो कमाल की स्पिरिट है।
थैंक यू सर।
थैंक यू सर।
थैंक यू श्रेयस, आप कमाल के हो और आप बहुत टैलेंटेड हो और वो सबसे बड़ी जिंदगी की कामयाबी है।
थैंक यू।
Shreyash's participation in the program India's Got Talent and meeting Amitabh Bachchan at KBC, Prachi's participation in the fashion show at Bangalore helped shape a more accepting perception and attitude towards this condition and these bright children. They became heroes, a significant achievement that is helping the children and their families lead more normal lives, free of discrimination.
टीम मेलकॉम सपोर्ट कर रहा है प्रोजेरिया के लिए, तो आप लोग भी इस चीज़ के लिए सपोर्ट करो, अवेयरनेस फैलाने में प्रोजेरिया के बारे में.
Throughout these awareness campaigns and through the steadfast efforts of PRF to fund and engage the brightest minds in the scientific community, a drug called Lonafarnib was discovered that gives children with progeria longer lives and stronger hearts.
Clinical drug trial involved 28 families from 16 countries speaking over a dozen languages. The Progeria Research Foundation brought these families in from all over the world. Some of these families traveled for 2 days every 4 months to get here and then go through a rigorous few days of testing.
Our correspondent Nikita met with the first child in India to be diagnosed with this devastating disease, who is also a part of the clinical trial that has seen him defy odds and stay alive.
Several children from India have travelled to Boston to receive this treatment through the PRF-funded clinical drug trials, and they continue to benefit from it with longer, healthier lives. In January 2020, the Indian Academy of Pediatrics, IAP, the largest community of pediatricians, invited Aditya as a special guest during their annual national conference, Pedicon 2020, held at Indore. Dr. Leslie Gordon, co-founder and medical director of the Progeria Research Foundation, addressed the audience via video message explaining what progeria is, urging physicians to contact PRF if they know of any patients with progeria, and detailing PRF's programs that support the children and that will lead to a cure. It was a very special moment when the Minister of Health held Aditya in his arms. Lonafarnib is now available to children in India through a special Managed Access Program, MAP. Trips to the US are no longer needed to access Lonafarnib, and several children in India have enrolled in this program. Because of the many impactful and widespread media-related activities taking place in India and Bangladesh over the past decade, awareness of progeria in this region has significantly improved. With 3 more possible cases from Bangladesh, PRF is now aware of 21 children living in India and Bangladesh since the start of the first campaign in 2009. In the early years of PRF's search for more children dating back to 1999, the average annual number of children found in the entire world was 2 or 3. That number has increased 5-fold in 2019. The kids and their families talk about the increasing acceptance they have received from their peers and the general public. Most of them have visited the USA for treatment, and the parents frequently express their gratitude for those working at the Progeria Research Foundation. They have given them hope where none had existed before, that their children will live longer, healthier lives, and that a cure will be found. For more information, please visit www.progeriaresearch.org or finding60inindia.in.